Hello and welcome. I'm Natalie with Artificial Creators. We're excited you've chosen to join us for this groundbreaking program in technology and marketing. The skills you'll learn here are at the cutting edge of these fields, opening doors to substantial career advancement opportunities. Consider this: 48% of marketing leaders say AI significantly impacts customer interactions. 64% of business marketers see AI as vital in their strategies. In 2020, only 20% of marketers were using AI in their marketing campaigns. However, this year, that number is expected to triple and will reach 60%. These stats highlight the growing importance of AI in the marketing landscape. So let's dive into your first lesson, setting you on a path to mastering these influential trends in the ever-evolving tech and marketing sectors. The future of your career starts now. Picture this: we're starting on a journey to train a brilliant, new breed of dog. This isn't an ordinary dog, though. It's our metaphor for artificial intelligence, and we're training it to perform tasks that until recently, we thought only humans could do. Our AI pup learns differently from its biological counterparts. Rather than learning from explicit instructions, AI thrives on data. It analyzes this data, looking for patterns and making predictions. In essence, AI is about enabling machines to think and learn, much like a human or a particularly intelligent dog would. Machine learning is an integral part of our AI pups training regimen. It's the science of getting computers to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Picture it as teaching our AI pup to fetch. Throw different types of balls and sticks, and with enough repetition, it learns to fetch, regardless of the object thrown. That's machine learning, sifting through mounds of data, finding patterns, and making predictions, just like our AI pup learns to fetch anything we throw. Natural language processing, or NLP, is like teaching our AI pup to understand our commands. In the same way you train a real dog to understand and respond to sit, stay, or fetch, we use NLP to enable AI to understand and respond to human language. However, NLP isn't limited to understanding simple commands. It extends to comprehending complex human language constructs, even cultural idioms and slang. In our AI training journey, these three elements, AI, machine learning, and NLP, work together harmoniously. The AI sets the vision, machine learning equips our pup with the skills to learn and adapt, and NLP ensures it understands and responds appropriately to our language. Together, they're building intelligent systems that aren't just obedient, but are also capable of learning, adapting, and improving over time. And that's how we're setting the foundation for our AI journey. With this potent blend of AI, machine learning, and NLP, we're charting the course for an exciting future, one where technology and humanity intersect in new and intriguing ways. AI applications in marketing are like training our pup to do some truly remarkable tricks, which can turn out to be game changers in the marketing landscape. Here's why. First, think about data. In today's digital era, marketing has more data than ever before. Machine learning is like teaching our AI pup to fetch this data and turn it into meaningful insights. With enough training, it can discern patterns and trends that would be impossible for us to spot manually. This ability allows you to better understand their customers and tailor their strategies to meet customer needs more effectively. Next, we have NLP. In the same way that we train our pup to understand commands, NLP allows AI to understand and interact with customers in a human-like way. Think about a customer service chatbot that can understand customer queries and respond in a manner that feels human. This capability not only enhances customer experiences, but also enables businesses to offer support 24/7. Finally, by combining AI, machine learning, and NLP, marketers can achieve unprecedented levels of personalization. Remember how our pup learns to fetch different objects based on our commands? Similarly, AI can learn from customer behavior to deliver personalized content that truly resonates with the individual customer. In essence, AI allows marketers to communicate the right message, to the right person at the right time. As we continue training our AI pup, the potential applications in marketing are endless. Predicting customer behavior, optimizing ad placements, creating personalized content, enhancing customer support, the list goes on. As we go deeper into this course, we'll explore these applications in detail, and by the end, you'll not only understand AI, but will also be ready to harness its power in your marketing strategies. And there we have it. As we wrap up today's session on the AI effect, exploring the future of marketing with artificial intelligence, I hope you found this exploration as enlightening as I did. I'm Natalie from Artificial Creators, and I'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude for your participation and engagement throughout this program. Your drive to learn these cutting-edge skills and navigate the future of marketing truly inspires us. Remember, as the stats have shown, the role of AI in marketing is only growing, and you're now better equipped to ride this wave of transformation. Thank you once again for choosing to embark on this journey with us. We're excited to see where your newfound knowledge will take you, and we look forward to guiding you further in our subsequent sessions. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.